All right, so here we are, Wheel 5 Super Duty, changing out the track bar bushing rather than spending 150 or 170 bucks on a new track bar complete. I bought the $16 bushing. I'll show you what I did to press it in and press it out. Just got a piece of 2-inch channel on my light bar so I can hold my phone. Good enough for now. Okay. So, first things first, I took the big bolt out of the track bar, and then I just rotated the track bar out, sat it on a center stand. Very easy. Okay. Next thing I did to remove the old track bar bushing, which is this one, this is just the rubber was toast in it. Wasn't in very good shape at all. So, see if it'll focus on it. Rubber's all split and everything else, so I had some play in my steering. It felt, yeah, it just felt bad going on a road. It felt like you always had to correct. So what I did is I took a piece of 2-inch square tubing and it is just under 2 inches wide, so about 1 3/4 inches wide. I put that here. Old washer. Take the track bar bushing from Ford. Goes through the hole. I put the washer on. The Ford track bar bushing nut. On like that. 1 3/16 wrench on the end. Took my impact. Did a little press and went all the way through till it popped out. So I just wanted to adjust this one because that's the new one that's in there. So next step, put the new one in. Took the new one, put it on there, lined it up. Just forgive me that the other one's in there already. Lined it up. Then I put a thinner piece of square tubing on this side, which is, let's say, just under 1 inch wide, probably like 7/8. Okay, so the ruler was just there to show you the width. Next step, washer was too thin, so if I put it on there I'd run out of threads too fast, but that's what you needed. I started with the washer, put the new bushing in place. New bushing in place, put the nut on the end of the thing, impact bushing halfway in, and then I switched this nut out for a piece of 1/2 inch thick plate with a hole in it. That on there, the nut back on. Right. The impact to her, crank on her with the impact. That's it. Simple. You just save yourself 150 bucks by making a plate, sourcing out a big old washer, and 2 pieces of 2-inch square tubing. That is 2-inch square tubing. So, piece of 2-inch square tubing, about 1 3/4 inches wide. Second piece, about 3/4 wide. A washer and a piece of plate, and you have yourself your own track bar bushing press tool. And the other thing that I did was I took my little wire wheel, gave her a spin inside the track bushing to make her nice and polished up. Gave her a shot of penetrating oil to help it glide easier. We're done. Track bar bushing with making the tool. I'll have this back together in way less than an hour. Right on, YouTube. Have a good one. Bye.